Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I'll be talking about hair loss in men. Now, I'm sure you know, or you can at least assume, that men experience hair loss at far greater rates than women do, for reasons including hormonal stress. But I'd like to know, who are the #1 consumers of hair loss products, men or women? Who buys hair growth products more, men or women? After doing some clicking around, I see that I come to the conclusion that the populations that purchase the most hair growth products are aging individuals and women. That's to be expected. Women are the #1 consumers in the beauty industry, and the hair growth product industry alone is worth around 10 billion, give or take. $10 billion. With that being said, oftentimes I notice that when it comes to hair loss and discussions around hair loss, men are kind of mute. Men are pretty silent. And that can be expected when you consider the parameters we put around masculinity. However, I do have some male customers, and I'm proud of you all for being proactive, because a lot of men decide not to be, out of shame or embarrassment, or they just don't care. And if they don't care, that's fine too. Here's a customer of mine. As you can see, he experienced significant thinning at the crown of his head. And after a month of using, he uses the horsetail leaf growth oil and the emu oil growth drops in conjunction. And after a month of using it, you can see that the crown of his hair started to fill back in. You can see his thinning has begun to fill back in, about 50%. So that's some great progress for him after just a month of using the product. So I'm proud of you for sharing your before and after. You know who you are. I am grateful to you for sending me before and after pictures. Most men refuse. I've definitely asked multiple of my male customers and most of them refuse, so I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. You know who you are, and keep up the good work, because you've made great progress. And I do want to emphasize this point. This is something that my mom has always told me since I was a little girl. Prevention is better than cure. So while you may not be experiencing hair loss right now, hair loss products are really great for preventative measures. And I don't just mean my hair growth products, I mean in general. A lot of these products work so much better when you use them as a preventative measure rather than a cure. Remember, as usual, you can get the horsetail leaf growth oil and the emu oil growth drops. You could get them together in the Enroll bundle at KeishaCharmaine.com. Check out our raving reviews. This is definitely our bestseller, and it's our OG. And if you want to know the secret to why the horsetail leaf growth oil is so powerful and effective, and why my customers have such great results with them, definitely check out this video. I don't think you can click this, but I'll have it linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.